Good afternoon.
Okay.
Okay, hi Kate. Good afternoon.
Good
Okay.
afternoon.
Okay, how are you today? Did you eat your lunch?
Yes.
Okay, what is your food? Meat, noodles, what
Uh,
else? Chicken,
rice,
rice, noodles,
egg,
egg, what else?
uh, crab.
Crab. You have crab. You have crab. Where's Keo? Where's your brother?
Hmm?
Where's your brother? Your brother, Keo.
Rice.
Yeah. Where is your brother? Where is Keo, your brother?
My brother
In school?
is watch the TV. Watch the TV.
Watching TV. Oh, okay. Tomorrow I will talk to Keo. Okay?
TV.
Yes. Okay, so you have rice, you have egg, you have crab for lunch. Wow. How about the drinks? Do you like cola? No?
No.
Cola, you know, teacher. Okay. So today let us finish what we did not finish yesterday. Hey. Okay, so here, are we done with this? We're finished? Okay, yesterday we are done with this, finished, and this one, finished.
Mm. Yes. Finish.
Okay, how about this? Finished?
Yes.
And this one. How
Yes.
about this? Finished? How about
No.
Mary? Okay, so here, let us continue the story. Okay, write words to complete the sentences about the story. Okay, about Pasta the parrot. Okay. Okay, wait ha. So
Okay.
please read and answer the question. You can write your answer in the blank here. Okay? Here. In this blank. Okay, can you see this? Can you see? Very good, Kate.
Yes.
Okay.
Mary, uncle, and aunt come
Came.
to
It's not come.
her
Came. Came.
came
To
to her house
house.
last
Week.
week.
They
They
gave
gave her a beautiful
parrot.
parrot. Parrot.
Was.
It was blue and yellow.
Mm,
Mary was very happy with her new pet. He couldn't
told him
called him
pasta.
Pasta. Mary Ann told her parrot eat fruit. Mary Uncle say parrot can talk. You have a take pasta. Some word Mary. The
Okay.
color of the parrot were blue and yellow.
Okay, it's blue and yellow. Very good. Number two.
Uh, blah 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 was the name that Mary gave the parrot.
What is the name of the parrot?
Is pasta.
Very good. It's pasta. Number 3.
Mary gave her new pet some words.
Oh, very good, Kate. Very smart. Okay, next one. Please continue.
First, Mary taught the parrot to say pasta and hello. Then he learned to say Mary, yes, no, and lunch. Then pasta learn more words. On Saturday, Mary Mother opened the living room door and Ashen
Ask. Not ask it. Ask.
asked
Yeah, very good.
Mary and her younger brother, Fred, what do you want to eat for lunch? Fred shout, Basta!
Okay. What
The
do you want to eat for lunch? Fred
wait.
shouted. Shouted. Here. Shouted.
Shout
Pasta. Oh, shouted.
that.
Pasta. Okay.
Pasta! Pasta!
Oh, like that. And then the
The
parrot.
parrot was there with them and
He thought.
thought,
He thought. Oh
oh
no.
no, Fred
Want
want to
to eat
eat
me.
me, and he flew
Flew. Flew.
outside.
Hey. So, okay.
The first two words that but the wait where
What are the first 2 words that Pasta learned?
oh the first two words that pasta learn
He learned.
were to Mary.
Okay, now 2 words that Pasta learned. It is pasta and
Pasta and hello.
pasta and hello. Okay. 5.
Fred was Mary. Blah blah blah. Went to eat pasta for lunch.
Who is Fred? Fred is the
Wait. Uh, uh, Mary and her young brother prepared lunch. Mary and her young brother.
Okay. Okay. Mary is who is Fred? Fred is the who?
And her younger brother.
Okay, the younger brother of Mary. Very good. 6.
Pasta was afraid and wait. Pasta's afraid. And he flew
Flew
out the window.
Flew out the window. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. Wow, great job, Kate. Very smart. Okay, so Mary.
Mary afraid run out to the garden.
Very good.
But they couldn't see pasta. Then their mother shout, oh, he here in the kitchen.
Where is pasta? Where is pasta?
Kitchen.
In the kitchen. Okay.
The children went to see Pasta had a grape in his mouth,
Yeah.
and then he gave it to Mary mother. He laughed,
Laughed and said,
she laughed and said,
I
I
know
I know you want to tell
there are
us
something.
something.
Yeah, is it?
Is it is, please
Please
eat
eat.
fruit
Eat
and not
not
pasta.
pasta. The parrot
The carrot trumpet,
bumped.
and down. Yes, yes, he said.
Okay,
Say.
very good. Yes, yes.
Parrot couldn't find the parrot in
Okay, in the
garden.
garden. Very good. Eight.
Their mother found pasta in kitchen.
In kitchen. In kitchen. Very good. Nine.
Pasta gave blah 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 to Mary and Pasta gave wait. Pasta wait uh, with a grape in the mouth.
Okay, pasta gave a grape to
Away.
Mary and Fred's mom. Okay,
Mom.
10.
10 when pasta say he up and down. The pasta say please is fruit and not pasta.
When pasta said, yes,
It's
yes, yes,
fruit.
yes,
Oh,
yes, yes, he jumped up and down, up
wow.
and down.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, so here, very good. So here, please encircle you put encircle the number. Okay, encircle, example, I will encircle another. I will put circle in another. Okay, so write your answer or please
Okay.
encircle the correct answer. Put a circle. Okay, read properly, ha?
Okay.
Okay, number one.
Have got. No. Have
Answer,
got.
encircle,
Have,
encircle.
have got. Okay.
You encircle.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the answer? Number one, another. Okay, number two. What's number two?
Yes.
Some zoo.
You have got.
Okay, have because plural. Okay, next.
Uh. There
Very good. There
is
is often
often
a shop or a playground too.
playground too. Children,
Children
children like go
going to the
going
zoo in their
to the
holiday
zoo in their holiday.
because
Here
they can
they
see
can
the
see the animal
animals ride in the
ride on the
plants
elephant
and
or
give food.
give food
Food.
at the monkey. Two,
Yeah.
Okay.
And okay, yay, very good. Oh, wait. Here is your answer. I will check. Wait, ah. 1, 2, 3. You're correct here, right?
Yeah.
5 or 5. Da,
Fine.
da, 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 da.
Very good.
Okay, wait. Okay, I will just give it to your mom. You wait me, huh?
Okay.
Oh, okay, so I will continue this. Okay, so let's move to another topic. Okay, sige, bye-bye. You like this song?
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye.
Bye. Oh, dahil favorite ang part. Bye-bye, goodbye. Huh? Um, okay, let's move to another topic. Our homes. Okay, look at this, Kate. Wait me, huh? Here, our homes. So we have here person, one, people, many. Address. It's the place where you live.
Friend.
Okay, your residence. Where is your house? Okay, this one.
Village.
Village. Downstairs.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Downstairs.
Apartment. This one.
Apartment.
Countryside.
Countryside.
And
Town.
town. Okay. So, where do you live, Kate? You live in the city or countryside?
City.
Apartment? Live in apartment?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. This is the house. Oh, my name. Okay, you read this one now.
My
Okay, go.
name is Jack.
Jack, fine.
My address
Address?
is 7. Is
8.
7, 8.
Garden Road.
8 Garden Road.
I
live
live
house.
in a house in a village
In a village.
called
Although.
Well. Mm.
Our home has 6 rooms. We got kitchen, a living room, and a dining room. Downstairs into bedroom and the in a bedroom upstairs.
Okay, so this is the family of Jack. Okay, so you have to answer the questions. Okay, look at her. Okay, please write your answer, Kate. Please write your answer in the chat here.
Okay,
Here.
okay.
Wait a minute.
Yes. Chat.
Okay, please
Okay.
write your answer in the chat. Okay. What is Jack's family name? Example, Jack Fine. You write in the chat box the answer, okay?
Okay. Teacher, how do you spell the name of Chick-fil-A?
Jack Fine.
Called.
Where? How do you spell the word of house number?
3.
Village. Village. Okay, well, W L L. Mm.
WLL. Okay, like how many bedrooms are there? Wait.
Hey, wait me, Kate, ha? I will just drink water. You wait me. Just finish the answer. I will drink water. Kate, done? Finished?
Okay.
Delay na. Okay, so where is your answer? 10. Okay. Okay, number 1. Let me check your answer. Okay, number 1 is, what is Jack's family name? Is Fine. Okay. Jack Fine. Okay. What is the house number? Number
7.
78. Very good. How do you spell the name of Jack's village? It's
Is
well, W.
W-E-L-L.
Very good. And then how many bedrooms are there in Jack's house? There are bedrooms
2
only.
bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. Very good.
Bedroom.
Where are they? Where are they? The bedrooms are in the, are they living in the village? And the bedroom is upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs.
Okay, it is in the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs.
Upstairs.
Okay, upstairs. Do you know upstairs? Where is upstairs? Up.
Up.
Downstairs, down. Okay, how about your room? Where is your room? Downstairs, upstairs.
Live in the city.
Yeah, you live. There is no second floor. Only that. How many bedrooms in your house? How many?
I have 2 bedroom. I have 3 bedroom.
3. Okay,
bedroom.
1 bedroom for mom and dad. 1 for your brother.
Brother. 2 brother.
Your brother and 1 for Kate.
Yes.
Okay.
This my room.
Yeah. Oh, that's your room. I can see there's a lot of medals. Kaya pili siya dance sports chair. Dahil kayo sa medal ang likod. Okay. You have a lot of medals. Okay, let us have this one, ha? Okay. Please listen and write the answer. This is about Ben's grandmother. Okay? Ready,
Yes.
Kate? Are you ready, Kate?
Yeah. Yes.
14b. Our homes. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hi, Grandma. Are you happy in your new house?
Yes, Ben, it's great.
What color is it?
It's blue and white.
Blue and white? That's nicer than ours.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
How many rooms have you got?
We've only got 6 rooms, but that's okay.
Wow, that's a lot. 6 bedrooms?
No, we've only got 2 bedrooms upstairs.
2? Oh.
2.
And can you give me your new address? I want to send you something.
Oh, is it something nice?
Yes.
Okay. I live in Cook Road at number 56.
Number 56, Cook Road. Brilliant. Thanks.
3.
And what's the name of the town, Grandma?
My new house isn't in a town, Ben. I live in a village called Tyre.
Tyre? Is that T-Y-R-E?
Yes, that's right.
4.
What's your favorite room in the new house?
My kitchen, because it's got a big window, and I can watch my chickens in the garden.
I love feeding your chickens, Grandma.
I know, and I love my kitchen.
5.
What's near your house?
There's a river near my house. You can go there and fish.
A river? Wow, that's so cool. See you next weekend then.
Yes. Bye for now, Ben.
Listen again.
Hey,
14b. Our homes. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hi, Grandma. Are you happy in your new house?
Yes, Ben. It's great.
What color is it?
It's blue and white.
Blue and white. That's nicer than ours.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
How many rooms have you got?
We've only got 6 rooms, but that's okay.
Wow, that's a lot. 6 bedrooms?
No, we've only got 2 bedrooms upstairs.
2? Oh,
2.
and can you give me your new address? I want to send you something.
Oh, is it something nice?
Yes.
Okay. I live in Cook Road at number 56.
Number 56, Cook Road. Brilliant. Thanks.
3.
And what's the name of the town, Grandma?
My new house isn't in a town, Ben. I live in a village called Tyre.
Tyre? Is that T-Y-R-E?
Yes, that's right.
4.
What's your favorite room in the new house?
My kitchen, because it's got a big window, and I can watch.
okay. I'll just charge my flow back.
Mm. Teacher, I
Yeah,
can't.
it's low, but wait.
Watch my chickens in the garden.
I love feeding your chickens, Grandma.
I know. And I love my kitchen.
5.
What's near your house?
There's a river near my house. You can go there and fish.
A river? Wow, that's so cool. See you next weekend then.
Yes. Bye for now, Ben.
Okay.
River.
River.
Ah,
House is near
Okay.
the Okay. So we have here. Okay, so E2, very good. Address 56 Cook Road. Name of the village? Okay, tire. Very good. Very good. Correct spelling. Favorite room? It's Chan. House is near the river. Okay. Yeah, very good. Okay. So we have here, Kate, when you say the word flat, it's generally used in British English. An apartment is now often used instead of flat in British English when describing new or more expensive homes. When I say your home is expensive, it's new, we call it apartment in British. That's the common, it's flat. Okay? Here. So please try to write your own. This is your home. Okay, I live in apartment, flat, or house. You write here. You write here. My address is, what is your address? Can you tell me your address? I live in a village, town, city, or countryside. Our home has how many rooms? We have 6 rooms. Okay, okay go. Okay. Okay, I live in
A house.
I live in a house. Okay, my address is, what is your address? Dana?
Address is, what mean address?
Address, it means the place where you live. You live in Ho Chi Minh, Da Nang, Hanoi. Okay, what place?
Is Vũng Tàu.
Bong Tàu. Yeah, I know Bong Tàu, Da Nang, right? Bong Tàu.
Tàu. Vũng Tàu. 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 Okay.
Yes. And
Next,
I live in.
a city.
Okay, very good. I live in a city.
Next, our home
Home has
has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rooms.
8 rooms. We've got what?
Next,
We've got what? How many bedrooms? 2 bedrooms. 3.
We have got the 3 bedroom. 2 we see 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom.
2 bathroom. Okay. Vũng Tàu. Okay. 2 bathroom, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and 2 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms. What is your favorite room in the house?
Wait.
Okay.
1 kitchen, 1 living room.
1 living room.
1 living room. Okay. My favorite room is in bedroom
Bedroom. Why do you
because
like?
because because um because I have to sleeping.
Because I can sleep. Because I can why? Why do you like bedroom? Because I
I
can sleep.
sleep
Very good.
because
What is near my home?
I
What is
can
near my home?
wake up slowly. Okay. There uh there's um uh primary mm, near the near 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 the bank.
Okay, near the bank. Okay. Near the bank.
Bank.
Okay. There is a bank near my home. You can blank there. What you will gonna do in the bank?
Huh?
What you will gonna do in the bank? What you
Uh,
will do in the bank?
I'm mm,
You will
I'm you
you will withdraw money, deposit a money in the bank.
a bank.
Okay. So this one, we are done with this. Okay. What is the color of your roof? Okay, this one. This is the last one. Look at the shape and spells shapes and spell chicken and kitchen. Okay. Blank is a kind of bird, but it can fly. Okay. What you were gonna put here? Oh, look at the puzzle.
Hey. Um.
You write the letter, example circle, you will write
Okay.
CH here. Okay.
Hey. Okay. Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Okay, we eat in our own letter A. What's this? What's this?
Hmm?
This one,
Oh
the
yeah.
first one.
Okay. 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 Um. Okay.
Okay, so we have here. Okay, read aloud. Can you please read? It's a
Chicken.
chicken is a kind of a bird, but it can fly. We eat in where? In the
Chicken.
kitchen because we haven't got a dining room in our house. Okay, very good. Okay, so Kate, teacher, and we'll see you on tomorrow again.
Oh.
Okay, yes, thank you, Kate. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.